What's good, you guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel, That Chashmish Guy. And today's video is a pretty self-development and self-improvement-ish video. We're going to be going over some amazing tips, only 3 tips, but yeah. So we're going to be going over 3 tips on how you can become the best version of yourself. Now, if you're a teenager, you're an adult, you're a kid, anyone, but you want to become the best version of yourself, then you need to follow these 3 tips. Because what does it mean by being the best version of yourself? It means being the top version of yourself, to being the best person, being smart, being attractive, being intelligent. All those amazing qualities that you should have in your body, you should be having them. You should be physically strong, you should be mentally strong, you should be spiritually strong, you should be strong in every aspect of your domain. So if you want to become the best version of yourself, this is the right video you've clicked on. If you already don't know me, my name is Akib. This is my channel, That Chashmish Guy, where I make videos around self-development, self-improvement, fitness, tech, lifestyle videos, etc. And if you're new around here, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on LinkedIn, and let's begin with the video with tip number 1. So there are 2 types of mindset. One will be fixed mindset, one will be growth mindset. The tip number 1 is challenge yourself, keep challenging yourself. Tip number 1 is basically based on the growth mindset. Now there are 2 types of people. 1, hey bro, man, I was playing football yesterday and I wasn't able to score a single goal. I'm just gonna quit football, man. I'm gonna still play it, but I don't think I'm think that I'm gonna be able to be good at the game, because I can literally not score a single goal, dude. I suck at football. Second guy, hey bro, yesterday I went for a football match. I was only able to score I was not able to score a single goal, but I tried a lot, but I missed all those goals. But I think next time I'm gonna score goals, because I know how to get into that way of scoring goals. So I think next time I'll be able to score. You see that? Those 2 people, this one was the fixed mindset, this one is the growth mindset. This guy said that no problem if I wasn't able to score a single goal, next time I'll try my best. This one was like, okay, I just suck, I don't care if I can't score. This guy was fixed, this guy was growth. So if you have a growth mindset, you'll always keep challenging yourself. To be the best version of yourself, you need to be a better person. Now that could be fit physically, mentally, anything. So I recommend is you start working out, you start watching intelligent self-development videos, start reading books, start attending online classes properly. If you're a school kid, start learning new things, read books, listen to podcasts, and just always challenge yourself. And if you're a teenager and if you want some extra income and stuff, you can also start freelancing, which is basically what I'm trying to be doing. So basically take a skill every 1 month, every 2 to 3 months, and try to learn that skill through YouTube videos and other applications. And if you have the money, you can also use this course. So if you want to challenge yourself, you should always keep learning new things. You should always step out of your comfort zone. That can be using YouTube to learn new skills like video editing and all these stuff, because this will enhance your portfolio and hence you learn a lot. Moving on to tip number 2. The second tip is keep a journal. Now, journaling is one of the habits I love talking about. I will be making a detailed video on journaling very soon, inshallah, in the next 2 to 3 weeks, and I will release it on my channel. But first of all, let me just quickly tell you, I've already talked about journaling quite a lot in my videos. Journaling is basically writing down your thoughts, writing down whatever you want, writing down your positivity or negativity from your life, writing down what you're grateful for, what you're not grateful for, everything. Whatever comes to your mind, whenever it comes to your mind, you need to write it down. Yes, because when you do that, you're basically trying to learn yourself in and out. You're going to completely know yourself. A journal can help you understand yourself more, and also it will help you understand your motivations, your your emotions. It will also help you know more about your passion, your life, on what your purpose in your life is, and just basically you'll be dumping your thoughts on piece of paper. I have a journal which I've been writing down since 2017, not consistently. I wrote like 1 or 2 times in 2017, then directly in 2018, then I wrote once in 2019, and then 2020 was the year I became serious about my journaling. Now at least 4 to 5 times a week I journal, and I try to write down whatever is in my mind. And when you do that, I've noticed that whenever I'm writing in my journal for the first 2 minutes, I can't think of anything. All my thoughts are dead. But then as soon as I just start writing, I cannot stop. Sometimes I'm like, I'm gonna write for 10 minutes. I set a timer for 10 minutes, but I end up writing for 20 minutes. Sometimes I've written for 25 minutes. Yes, and my journal is very completed right now. So yeah, journaling is a great habit. You'll be able to understand yourself more, and therefore you can find out what your purpose is and what you can work on to become a better person and become the best version of yourself. The third tip will be know your purpose. Now, two great books I will recommend for this particular point is Jay Shetty's book Think Like a Monk on how to find purpose in your life, and the second book, I've kept it right there, it's Gaur Gopal Das's book, which is Life's Amazing Secrets. These two books will help you find your purpose in your life. And why do you need to find your purpose? Because without a purpose in your life, if you don't know where you're going, if you don't know which direction you're heading, if you don't know your life's purpose, your life will be pointless. Your life will seem, you won't really know what to do. Your life will feel aimless. So you need to always have a purpose in your life. My purpose is to help others. I have two great people in my life, three: Alex Costa, Bia Biceps, and Sandeep Maheshwari. I want to be a mixture of these three people in my life. I want to do something for people. I want to help the world. I want to change the world. So yeah, these things are my vision. These keeps me going. Whatever videos I keep making, yes, I'm sometimes very inconsistent, but that's the, whenever I'm inconsistent, that's what I remind myself, that man, you have a goal, you have a vision, you have a purpose in your life, Aqib, and you have to work on that. And you have to make these videos so you can slowly, grow and help other people. Now, even in this videos, even if I get 2 views on every video, I'm at least happy that those 2 people are at least watching that video. Yeah. And I guess that's pretty much it for this particular video. Know your purpose. So the three tips are: challenge yourself, always keep challenging yourself, then keep a journal, and have a purpose in your life. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this video. Drop a comment down below on what your thoughts about this video, and also what you would like to see in the future videos. If you have any video ideas, just drop it down. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on LinkedIn. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace out, namaste, assalamu alaikum, and